If you're seeing a Monday.com error code 1000 or a server error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step, so you can get back to work as quickly as possible. This issue is often caused by browser cache problems, extensions, VPNs, network changes, or even a temporary Monday.com outage, so we're going to go through each fix in the best order. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump in. First, the easiest thing to try is clearing your browser cache and cookies. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. On Mac, use the browser's history or privacy settings to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. In the window that appears, make sure you select Cache and Cookies, then click Clear. Once that finishes, fully restart your browser and try loading Monday.com again. A lot of the time, corrupted cache files or old session data are what trigger error code 1000, so this step alone can often fix the issue. If that doesn't work, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, and then choose Manage Extensions. Look for anything that could interfere with websites, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or security extensions. Turn them off one by one, then refresh Monday.com after each change. Sometimes an extension blocks a request that Monday.com needs to load properly, which can lead to a server error. If the site starts working after disabling one extension, you've found the problem. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy service you may be using. VPNs can sometimes cause login or connection problems with web apps, especially if the service is routing traffic through a location that Monday.com doesn't like. After disabling the VPN or proxy, refresh the page and try again. If you're on a work or school network, that network may also be filtering traffic, so it's worth testing from another connection if possible. That brings us to the next fix: switch networks. If you're on Wi-Fi, try a mobile hotspot or another internet connection. If you're already on a hotspot, switch back to regular Wi-Fi or another stable network. Then refresh Monday.com and check whether the error is gone. This helps determine whether the issue is coming from your local internet connection rather than Monday.com itself. Another simple but effective step is to sign out of your Monday.com account and sign back in. Sometimes your session can become stale or partially broken, and a fresh login resets that connection. After signing out, close the browser tab completely, reopen Monday.com, and log back in with your account details. Then test the page again and see if the error still appears. If you're still having trouble, make sure you're using a supported browser. Monday.com works best in Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. If you're using something less common, or if your browser is outdated, switch to one of those recommended options and try again. Also, make sure the browser is fully updated to the latest version, since older versions can cause compatibility issues. Now let's try Incognito mode. Open your browser menu and select New Incognito Window, or New Private Window depending on your browser. This mode disables most extensions and uses a cleaner session, which makes it really useful for troubleshooting. Go to Monday.com in the Incognito window and sign in again. If it works there, that strongly suggests the problem is caused by a cache issue, extension, or saved browser data in your normal session. At this point, there's one more very important thing to check, and that's Monday.com's own service status. Sometimes the problem isn't on your device at all, it's on Monday.com servers. Visit status.monday.com and look for any reported outages or degraded performance. If there is an active incident, the best solution may simply be to wait until their team resolves it. You can also check whether other users are reporting the same issue, because that confirms it's a platform-wide problem. So to recap, if you get Monday.com error code 1000, first clear your cache and cookies, then disable extensions, turn off your VPN or proxy, switch networks, sign out and back in, try a supported browser, test in Incognito, and finally, check the Monday.com status page. Following these steps in order will solve the problem for most users without wasting time. If this video helped you fix the error, please give it a like and subscribe for more clear, easy software tutorials. And if you're still stuck, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.